And take a look at the 2014 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.